This compact carbon monoxide detector gives you real-time readings for CO levels, temperature, and humidity, and it's all shown clearly on the digital display. Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to be taking a quick look at this miniature carbon monoxide detector that's perfect for at-home use or on the go. Now, when you first turn this on with the little button here on the side for power and mode, you're just going to long press and it will run through a self-test process. So you just need to give it time. You'll see that process happening on the screen and it will give you a countdown. And then once that's finished, you will see the display light up showing you your CO levels, current temperature, and humidity level. Now, I have found that temperature might be a little slow to react. It's not spot on with my home thermostat, or if I step outdoors where I know the temperature is different as well, it's not very quick to change. However, the humidity level is very quick to change. So right now it shows the humidity in the room at 58, but with a quick breath, you can see that that went up there to 90. So that is very reactive. And even the carbon monoxide changes a little bit. I also tested its ability to detect the carbon monoxide levels. So here's a little look at that. As you can see, as I put the device near the exhaust of my car while it's running, the number quickly rises. And once it reaches a certain level, it will alarm. There are different levels and it will alarm accordingly. And as I take the device away from the exhaust, it does gradually go down. So this is definitely effective and it does sense that carbon monoxide when it's present. I love that this is rechargeable and it has an impressive 11-day battery life. Plus it has 3 brightness levels for the display. So regardless of if you're viewing this in the day or night, it should be simple to see. And the magnetic back makes it super convenient to get this attached to a metal surface in your space, whether that's in your home, an RV, or just out traveling. I found the user guide to be incredibly helpful. It's got all of the information that you need and explains all of the details of the device very clearly. So if you have any questions, you can definitely rely on the user manual. If you guys were in need of a way to keep track of your carbon monoxide levels, temperature, and humidity while on the go, or just as a compact device to keep at home for safety, this is a perfect option. It does a really great job and I am truly impressed by it. I would highly recommend it.